Hi, this is Visi Pro 3 channel. In today's video, we'll show you how to check your wish list on Google Play Store. Before we get started, don't forget to subscribe and turn on the notifications to be updated about this channel. So let's go! The Google Play Store is a go-to for Android users who want to find and install their favorite apps, but sometimes you may come across an app that you like but don't want to install right away. So in this case, the wishlist feature on the Google Play Store helps you pin the apps you want to come back to you later. So what if you want to find all the wishlist apps on your Google Play Store? It's very simple. First of all, of course, we have to open our Google Play Store, and here, for example, I will show you. First, I will add this apps to my wish list. You can add the apps, any apps to your wish list. Maybe this one. You can add to your wish list, but tap on here, and also this one. Now, if you want to check your wish list, you can go to your profile, tap on your profile, scroll down, select on library. From library, you'll find there is an option of wish list and book. You can choose on wish list. So here's all the app, all the wishlist app on your Google Play Store account. It's very simple, right? So that is how to find, how to check your wish list on Google Play Store. Don't forget to like and subscribe and turn on the notification to keep you updated about this channel. Thank you and see you.